It's Monday, and you know what that means. It's time for another unboxing. And I just got this in from China, so I can't wait to dig in and find out what we got. And actually, it really is still closed. I've only undone the tape on the top and bottom to make it easy for me to get into right after this. Hey fam, Swati Tukong Crap Phoenix here, and finally time to dig into this box and find out what we got here. I have to have it this way because my actual address is on the other side. There we go. Are we ready? Let's find out what we got from China this week. Hey, look at that. Well, we got a case. That's a big win. As you can see, the case from the case, it's Helegaly, Hero Legend Game Ally. So I'm guessing Helegaly. I don't know. I've never heard it actually said, but let's look forward to it. Got some plumber, some sticks there. Caps, nice, nice. And got a 64 gigabyte card here, no name. Of course, best to use your own if you have your own. And then you can see the box here. Yep. So slide that box off to the side. Trying to remove this, was stuck to it, as you can see. But that's all right. So you can see what it looks like here. This is called the Action Pie. A very unique name. So let's take a look around the box. You can see what the device looks like. Has a 4-inch screen. Comes in black, white, purple, and pink. Or they also call this blue on their website. So different colors are available. Which color do you think I went with? Black, white, purple. Let me know down in the comment section below. All right. So without further ado, they are going to be releasing a few different devices, but this is their first device, branded device out. So I wanted to get that to you so we can try it out. So let's slide open this box, nice and tightly sealed here. There we go. Still hiding it. Not by my choice, of course, but you know, we'll leave it to them. There we go. Leave that in the shot. Get a little card so you can see again what the device looks like. So as you can see here, it does have stacked shoulders, which is definitely my preference. Volume up and down on the top. We have power and a home key at the top there. And then on the bottom, we have, looks like speaker grills with exhaust pipes here, because I believe on the back there's an intake. Okay, nice. And then you can see the back here. I don't see any exhaust, so maybe it's just passive cool that they're blowing out air that gets in. So that's okay. Please read this manual carefully before use. Okay, breaks down the overall structure. Now this does have a 4-inch screen, and it does have a relatively decent processor in it. So it does have the All-Winner A527 chip in it. So it's a relatively decent processor. Appreciate the manual. Okay, screen protector accessories. Does that mean? Yes, it does. We've got tempered glass screen protector with actual means to install it. Here, let's just pull out this tray first, see if there's anything underneath it. If I can get my nails underneath there. There we go. All right, so under the tray, we have our traditional USB-A to USB-C. And as you can see, for some reason, they went with orange on the inside. I think that looks kind of cool, unique, different than a lot of companies. All right. So I'll flash up on the screen now what the color options are so you can see them. Okay, so with that said, let's take a look here. Move this foam protector here. Blue/purple. And as you can see, I went with it because it shows really well on camera. Let's take a look here. Okay, there's actual some rockets, not just a click for the triggers. That's nice. A little clicky though. Overall clicky. This looks like it's mini USB to go out to your TV. Yep, and then we have 2 USB-C ports, one for DC, aka charging, and one OTG. So if you want to connect a cable to it, that type of thing, you can do that. Micro SD card slot there, and a 3.5mm headphone jack there. And as you can see, stereo speaker chambers. Nicely done. All right, let's see what's included with this guy. We'll go ahead and grab the card. Oops, there we go. Put that back out. Oops, this must be one of those that's upside down. Yet. So if you order one for yourself, just remember SD card slot goes upside down. And then the power button is this one. A little vibration motor there. Now these are switch style sticks. They kind of pivot around that central point. They feel good. They have a nice little click. A clicky D-pad. Very different from the device I was just using. Clicky face buttons as well. Loads up Batacera, which is great for these Linux-based devices. Keeps things running smoothly. Should have ESDE running there. There we go. Some ESDE with some music going. Nice little volume indicator there. Beautiful. So you can go by console. Nice little selection. And of course, install apps. Okay, there we go. All games. So you can look at all games if you don't want it to be filtered that way. You can create favorites. So you can have your own little collections, basically. Have anything in apps? I don't know. File manager, music player, and Willy Willy, third-party Billy client for handheld devices, which I believe allows you to play game or PC games on your device. Stream them from your computer, if I'm not mistaken. But again, I haven't ever really used it, so I'm not sure. So we got A up here, so we'll click on A. So it looks like I'll have to do some scraping. No, they've got some of them scraped at least. I like that they've even included the faux box with the UMD. If you ever had a PSP, you'd remember those UMD discs. Sony tried making their own custom discs, of course. So let's take a look at God of War. Feels nice, has nice little ergonomic grips. They're not the biggest, but again, big enough that your finger kind of goes there, or you can slide it there if you're going to do stacked gaming like you would on a PlayStation. Again, I've always been a PlayStation guy, so having my fingers like this is kind of a natural expectation for me, so I appreciate that. Now, again, this is a 4-inch or a 4.02-inch screen if you want to be exact. It is 4:3 aspect ratio, so you're going to get bars on PSP games because PSP was 16:9 like your HD TV is in your room. And it is a decent resolution. Yeah. It is a 960 by 720 screen. So decent resolution there. Start the game. Let's take a look. You can turn on, of course, subtitles if you want to. So Batacera, exit out by both. Yeah, start select brings you back. One click, I love it. Looks like it was running pretty decently. I'll have to run some testing on it, actually, with the frames per second, that type of thing showing for us. But as you can see, it's a nice little device. It has some surprising weight to it. Let's take a look here in their branded case. Okay, nice. You can store your cable here, and then you can put your device in here and make sure it doesn't wobble around. There's a nice little kind of a woven texture to it. So all in all, like I say, I think this looks pretty good. 960 by 720 should be a really good resolution for a lot of PlayStation games and that type of thing. Got Crazy Taxi 2, got some interesting games they've chosen on here. Legacy of Khan. So I ordered this from AliExpress, but they do have their own website as well. The reason I ordered it from AliExpress is at the time that I was ordering it, they weren't offering shipment to Thailand. So I had to order it from AliExpress. Now I believe they'll offer it to Thailand. But yeah, so you can see the back here. Yeah, so it's called the Action Pi, like Pi 3.14 and so on for math class. An interesting name for a game console, but I'm not complaining. Buttons do seem a bit clicky, I'm not going to lie. Again, that's my job to be as objective as I can be for you so you can know what's available and what's not available. So I don't see being able to do like a screensaver on here from this. See, there's a little bit of a bezel. You'll see these looks here. I was curious if this was like a silicone texture, if this was different. Just apparently for Flourish having a little bit different look to it, but it's still the same plastic. Definitely feels like, say, really good in the hand. I can really get a good grip of it. So I'm appreciative of that. It's not the most spectacular IPS display I've ever seen, but it's definitely a really good IPS display. The grays look good. I haven't seen any pure blacks. I mean, the blacks look fairly decent. I haven't seen the screen being completely black yet to know how it looks in that aspect of it. But I'm going to give this a play around for the next week as usual, and I'll create my short-term review on Friday for you, so you can have the full rundown on the Helegaly. I would guess because it's game Helegaly, but they could be pronounced it Helegaly. So that I said, again, as usual, I want some gaming expectations. If you want to see some games being played on this, let me know. I'll be happy to get those running for you. Again, as long as they aren't the IP of that company that makes the big plumber that looks strangely like this guy with the mustache. As long as it's not like that, I will be more than happy to let you know, and I'll let you know how these caps work, if they're worth adding to these switch sticks. But I kind of like this color combination. I think it looks really sharp. So until next time, this has been